In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning wall shadow effect using Framer. Whether you're designing a new project or enhancing an existing one, this effect can add depth and realism to your elements, making them stand out beautifully. Let's dive right in. First things first, we need to launch Framer. Once you've got Framer open, go ahead and open the project you're working on, or start a new one if you're feeling creative. Now, direct your attention towards the interface. You should see a section labeled Elements. This is your toolbox for all things design, and it's the hub for what we're going to accomplish today. Now, as we work through the right side of your screen, start scrolling down until you land on Styles. Here is where the magic begins. Under the Styles section, you will find an option for Shadow. Click on that to get started. You might notice that there are a few settings, and this is where we can customize our shadow effect. Within the type options, you'll see two choices, box and realistic. For our purpose today, we'll select realistic. This will give your shadow that lifelike appearance that really brings your project to the forefront. Once you've done that, move over to the position selection where you have outside and inside. Select outside, as this is the option that creates a shadow effect that extends beyond the bounds of your element, adding to that 3D illusion. Next, let's talk about color. You can absolutely change the color of your shadow to match your design's aesthetic. Feel free to experiment here to see what complements your project best. Following that, we'll look at the X and Y offset sliders. Increasing or decreasing these values will shift your shadow horizontally and vertically. It's a handy way to play with the light source and the direction of the shadow for a more tailored look. Moving on to diffusion, this setting will let you decide how spread out or concentrated your shadow appears. A higher diffusion value will give you a softer effect, while a lower value will yield a sharper shadow. Lastly, we have focus. Similar to a camera lens, this controls how clear or blurred the shadow looks, so adjust it until you achieve the desired clarity. And there you have it. That's how you create a realistic wall shadow effect in Framer. By leveraging these tools and adjustments, you can give your elements a lifelike appearance that will elevate your design. Play around with different settings. Remember, design is all about exploration and creativity. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.